Hello, myself Arpita Korde from Shivlingeshwar College of Pharmacy. Today I am going to present my views on lockdown, a boon or a curse. Nature. It has its own way to correct and save itself from the imbalance that disturbs the ecology evolution due to human interventions. As we progress on frontiers with zeal to conquer the nature, and all of a sudden we come across something as trivial as corona, a tiny little virus that has shaken the whole world and forced all of us to be confined to our homes. Weapons that we so proudly and passionately discovered to threaten each other all remain inadequate and useless in front of a tiny little virus that hardly weighs less than a milligram, and yet so powerful that it can destroy the entire human race without any sound. It silently travels across and takes its toll. As a result, the spontaneous response from the society is to get themselves locked down, just to prevent the spread of this deadly weapon that even cannot be seen with naked eyes, yet so powerful that it can swipe the entire human population in just 14 days. We seek astrological guidance where all pundits do predict various forecasting the future difficulties that we would encounter, but surprisingly, no one predicted corona, such a powerful weapon that was on its way. Of course, I am not challenging anybody's intelligence. However, the fact remains that this weapon is so powerful that it can escape any radar the human has ever developed. With all said and done, I look at it as a boon for all of us. Perhaps the entire world has learned to be close to their family, be disciplined on a single call. The air quality has also improved tremendously all over the world as minimum vehicle movements are seen. People have learned to follow good hygienic practices, the importance of social distancing, and all politically powerful leaders have also forgotten their differences and are concentrating on controlling their own country from this silent killer that has crept slowly and silently into human fraternity. Leaders have kept their differences away and all are on one platform. Does that not sound like a boon to humanity instead of a curse? Yes, indeed it is. Although I do pay my earnest homage to all those who have lost their lives under COVID 19, let their sacrifice be seen as a lesson for all those who are still alive and safe from this tragedy. I agree that financial impact of this change in course of human activity will have grave consequences, but the same, if compared to the multifold benefits it has passed on, is negligible, which perhaps we are not really looking into, maybe because we are too busy fighting COVID-19 pandemic. Economy, as we call it, has also evolved because of our own greed of accumulating more than what we need, and on that front also we have learned how we can survive with very little of what we have, and therefore economic considerations of what we have lost against we have gained in terms of social awareness, fighting spirit without a weapon, surviving with basic needs, and caring for each other across all religion, caste, or creed is more valuable than any economic considerations, as these are the real values that make human a better animal. Well, that's the nature, the most powerful entity of Mother Earth, and it's time we learn to respect and be aligned with nature's way to grow and let the nature live in its sustainable format of evolution. To conclude, I see this outbreak as a boon to humanity, wherein all we have learned to be patient, aligned, conclusive, and above all respect our nature with the all earnest desires. We have learned to be a better human being and care for all our forests, oceans, animals, kingdoms, and environment all have harmonious amalgamation which we should not disturb in zeal for more. Thank you.